Yes, due to COVID-19 pandemic, so many people are suffering because of stress, and they can't manage their mental health. Because of that fear only, so many people are dying in the COVID-19 reasons. So ACT thought that this is a very compulsory session to undergo stress management or managing mental ability by motivational speakers. So we thought Yuvraj S. Lingappa sir is the best person to do that one. So yesterday we contacted them through phone, and they agreed to be our resource person, and they joined half an hour before for this program here. So I cordially welcome to you, sir, this function, this topic. And also just I want to give brief introduction about Yuvraj Lingappa sir. So you can see this. Yuvraj S. Lingappa sir is a international motivational speaker, author, and a physician. So about the speaker, he is an international inspirational speaker and sports mental skills coach. He lived in St. Lucia in the Caribbean for 2 decades before returning to India. He has conducted numerous seminars both in India and St. Lucia. His popular topics are motivational stress management, motivational weight management, artificial intelligence, excel in confidence. He created history by helping St. Lucian national cricket team to win the regional championship after a gap of 42 years by his mental skills and strategies. He is the author of best-selling book Easy Guide to Stress Relief. His mental skills strategies not only help professional and amateur athletes but also corporate executives and students. His popular corporate wellness program helps to increase productivity and reduce healthcare costs. His experience as a physician assists him to increase the mental toughness of his clients. He has great passion to help the society with his mental skills strategies with which are easy to learn. So actually, yesterday we directly talked to Yuvraj sir first time. They are requested. They are accepted our request with a great honor because they say they are from Karnataka, and we are very happy to hear, sir. And also we are eagerly waiting to listen your speech regarding stress management. Hopefully, all participant will get benefited of this, and at least their stress will be little more less than as usual. So it is over to you, sir. You can proceed with your speech, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, your mic is off, sir. Mic is off. Yes, sir. Now it is audible, sir.
Thanks, Mr. Dhruv Kumar.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening to all the faculty members. I'm greatly honored to speak to all of you today. As Mr. Dhruv said, today I will discuss with you about mental health and stress during the COVID pandemic. Friends, stress management is as simple as 1 + 1 = 2. You will agree with me at the end of 60 minutes. Average Indian lives till 68 years. That is 25,000 days. We all sleep 8 hours a day. So the balance is 18,000 days. So if a person is 34 years old, he is going to live only 8,000 days more, awakening days. So friends, please tell me, if a person is more than 34 years old, he has only 8,000 days to live, awakening days. Is it worth having stress in these 8,000 days? Should you not be happy with your family, with your friends, with your colleagues in the office? Please think for a moment. Life is very short. The global life expectancy is only 72 years. In India, only 68 years. So friends, whether it is COVID pandemic or not, our life has to be happy. I always say a day has 16 hours because out of 24 hours, you sleep 8 hours. So balance is 16 hours. It's our duty to be happy in the 16 hours daily. because happiness is contagious. If you are happy, your family is happy, in your office people, all are happy. There are many techniques to be happy, whether it is COVID pandemic or not, there are multiple techniques to be happy. Today, I'll share with you some of the simple techniques which you can practice at your home, at your office, and be happy. One of the simplest technique to be happy is relaxation technique. All of you are familiar with instant coffee. Same way, we have instant relaxation. Do you remember what is that? It's called deep relaxation technique. Advantage of deep relaxation technique is you can do anywhere. You can do in your home. You can do in your office. You can do in your meeting. As I am talking to you, I am doing it now. But don't do it while driving. Otherwise, you can do anywhere during the meetings, during the board meeting, during the interview. You can do it. How you do it? It's very simple to do it. Sit comfortably, or if you want, lie comfortably. Inhale through nose, 5 seconds. The belly should become big simultaneously. Exhale through nose, 5 seconds. Belly should become flat. As simple as that. Inhale through nose, 5 seconds with belly becoming big. Exhale through nose, 5 seconds, belly becoming flat. This is one cycle. Do 5 cycles. Like this, you can do 10 times, 20 times, 40 times. I am doing more than 20 times a day. It gives you instant relaxation. It pushes more blood to the brain. Others will not know you are doing the deep breathing because you are not making any noise or any movement. Just inhale through nose, belly big. It's abdominal breathing. Exhale through nose, belly flat. That's it. As I'm talking to you, you can try, friends. You will have the result instantly. So please remember, deep relaxation technique gives you instant relaxation. In case you are stressed out, at any time, it can be an interview in your office, too much work, in your house, too much work, in a party, too much. Just do this and relax yourself. Now I am going to tell you the best relaxation technique in the history of the world. In the history of the world. It was introduced by Dr. Benson, famous heart specialist, famous cardiologist in Boston, USA. He's still doing great things. He introduced this many years ago. It's called Benson relaxation technique. Very easy to do it. You can do it every day. Just remember a few points. Sit quietly or lie down quietly. Breathe normally through nose, no straining. Close your eyes. Relax from the feet going up to the head. Relax both the feet, both the legs, both the knees, both the thighs, abdomen, chest, both arms, head. Relax the tongue also. As you are relaxing, breathe normally. Inhale normally through nose. Exhale normally through nose. As you exhale, use the word one. Inhale normally through nose. Exhale normally through nose. As you exhale, say the word one. That means you are concentrating on the breathing, concentrating on the word one. But relax from the feet going up to the head. Again, go back. Relax both the feet, both the legs. Relax from the feet, go to the head. Like this, keep doing for 10 minutes. Then relax for a few more minutes. You can do it in the night also. This is wonderful way of relaxing the body and the mind. They are using exclusively in many countries. I tell all the people I meet to do this Benson relaxation and get the maximum benefits. So friends, practice deep breathing, which I mentioned. It takes few minutes. Then Benson relaxation. Do it 10 minutes in the morning. You'll be a new person within few days. I have a friend in Canada. He is a CEO in a multinational company. About 1 month ago, he called me, or 2 months ago. I said, how is life? He said, it's very bad. I said, what happened? Because he lives in Edmonton. It's a beautiful place. It's heaven on earth. I said, what happened? He said, temperature is minus 30 degrees. I said, man, so what? You are a CEO of a company, multinational company, living in Edmonton. After all, the climate, just love the temperature. He followed it religiously. Now he loves the climate more than his job and the city. Friends, the reason for telling this is, when you cannot control a stress, just love it. Whether it is a person or a job or temperature, anything, love it. This I tell to all the sportsmen and the corporate also. We call it, whatever is able to control it. Simple way of solving the stress. So friends, uncontrollables, don't worry, just love it. The celebrities and the billionaires have expressed few views about how they manage the stress. For example, if you take Jeff Bezos, the richest man on the planet with 165 billion USD, he says, when I recognize a stressful condition, I make the first phone call or I send the first email that reduces my stress. You can follow Jeff Bezos' technique if you like it. Tim Cook, Apple CEO, says, every Sunday night, I conduct all the phone meetings. So Monday morning, I'm relaxed. Because people are stressed out on Monday morning. So he is very cool guy on Monday morning because Sunday he finished the meetings. Our own Satya, Microsoft CEO, he says, I make sure all the staffs feel valued. It reduces the stress. So friends, make sure your seniors feel you value their knowledge, your juniors feel you value their knowledge. Game is over, stress is not there. They love you. When people love you, there is no stress. Friends, remember, there is a difference between stress and anxiety. Sometimes people mix up both. Stress is what we are stressed out due to any condition beyond our control or against our wishes, which is controllable with few simple methods. Whereas anxiety is a little deep-rooted. It needs more counseling. It may need more medications. And there is panic attack in anxiety. Stress, there is no panic attack. So kindly see the difference between them and make sure what we are dealing with is stress and it's easy to solve. As I said, as easy as 1 + 1 is equal to 2, which you will agree very soon. Friends, stress management depends on how you feel about the stress. For example, some of the corporate tell me, sir, always I'm getting negative thoughts. That is stressful. I tell them, what is the big deal about that? Most of our thoughts are negative only. More than 80% our thoughts are negative thoughts for everybody in the world. Only 20% are positive thoughts. So I tell them, there's a very easy way of approaching negative thoughts. I agree, negative thoughts lead to stress. And there's a simple way of approaching negative thoughts. Do you remember any way to approach negative thoughts? There's a simple way. When you get a negative thought, recognize it and name it in some funny way, like a clown or any funny way. Remove it, replace it with some happy, positive thoughts. That's it. So when you get a negative thought, allow it to pass by, because 80% of everybody in the world's thought is negative thought. So when you get a negative thought, allow it to pass by, because it's normal, nothing to worry. Everybody gets negative thought. When you get a negative thought, recognize the negative thought, name it, because when you name it, your mind knows what you are talking of. Recognize it, name it, remove it, replace with positive thought. It may look difficult or cumbersome. Once you practice, remember, every habit takes 21 days to get success. So this also will take 21 days for you, but you will get it very easily. So recognize negative thought, name it, replace it with positive thoughts. It's as simple as that. Sometimes my corporate friends tell me, I have too much worries. How to approach? Everybody has worries. I may have 10%, you may have 20, somebody else will have 40, everybody has worries. And the research in USA shows 85% of the worries don't happen. That means I'm wasting my time, I'm wasting your time. 85% of the worries never happen. You keep on thinking yesterday's worries again today, day before yesterday worry today, 85% will not happen. Even the 15% of the worries do happen. Even that people will say, I learned a lesson. He helped me in time. I love God. I love this person. I never thought he will help me. Even the 15% people are happy at the end of the worries. So friends, if you are worrying and that is the reason for your stress, that is normal. If you have negative thoughts, that is worrying, that is normal. Remember, if you have negative thoughts, which is more than 80%, which you have worries, it will affect you medically. Many medical conditions can happen to the person with negative thoughts or worries. Already you are familiar with that. For example, you can get body ache, person can get headache, you can get weakness, you can get high blood pressure, and many conditions just because of negative thoughts and too much worry, too much stress. Do you want it? You have to ask yourself, do you want it? If you have negative thoughts or worries, you are going to get this medical condition. Do you want it? Remember, if you get these medical conditions, you will suffer. Your parents, your children, friends, everybody suffer. So if you have stress, negative thoughts and worries, you will get, or any person can get, serious medical illness, and you cause trouble to your family, your loving family, your loving friends. So do you want your loving friends to suffer? Do you want your loving family to suffer because of you? Because you had stress, you caused medical conditions. Research shows 85% of the worries don't happen. We keep on thinking yesterday's, day before, last week's. So if you have negative thoughts, if you have worries, nothing to feel about it. You would have heard about the proverbs, show me your friend, I will tell you your character. That is true. It happens. Because you are average of 5 people surrounding you most of the time. Please remember, it's very important because this can be a life-changing experience for some of you. You are average of 5 people surrounding you most of the time. So you have to surround yourself with 5 positive people. Now it is Zoom era, Google Meet era, and you are 700 million people in the world. Not difficult to get 5 positive people. You can have one person in USA, one in UK, one in Europe, one in India, one in Germany. 5 positive people. Again, it becomes, because now pandemic, difficult to get around you physically. But make sure you get 5 positive people around you most of the time. Because if I get 5 people around me, negative people, naturally I'll be negative. Some people ask, is zero stress nice? My simple answer to them is, it's not nice. Zero stress means it will become like a birthday party. You'll be relaxed and you'll be enjoying. You should have little stress, 2%, 3%, 5%, little, so that you will be on your toes and you know what you are doing. Remember, not all stress is bad. We have what we call as eustress, that is good stress. For example, I join a new job, or I go to a new club, new association, I'm meeting new friends. I'll be little stressed out. That is good, because I'm going to a new job, new environment, I'm going to learn more. So there'll be little stress, but that will help you. So not all stress is bad stress. We have eustress, which is good stress, which is good for you. I know all of you are great faculty members, highly qualified. You may be stressed out due to so many reasons, during too many working hours or during the exams. There is a beautiful way of relaxation, but once a week is enough. Again, the research has proved it works wonders. That is called Epsom salt bath. Once a week, maybe Friday or Saturday night, you can take 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt. You will be familiar with Epsom salt. 1 teaspoon Epsom salt in a bathtub. Fill up the bathtub, 1 teaspoon inside. Just immerse yourself into that. And if you are a music lover, just listen to the sweet, nice music for 40 minutes. You'll be a new person tomorrow. Please try tomorrow and let me know the results. Epsom salt bath works wonders, friends. It is tried all over the world and people are extremely, extremely happy. Friends, remember, now we are COVID pandemic. So many people feel anytime it can attack them. Many people feel scary 24 hours a day. I have a simple message for them. Truly nothing to worry. Reason is, we have faced many pandemics in our life. 20 years ago, we had dengue pandemic. Only few bad things happened. Many years ago, we had a plague, and many years ago, we had like this, many pandemics. And now COVID pandemic, this is not the last pandemic. We are going to have many more. Maybe after 10-1, after 21, our children will face pandemic after 30 years. Our great grandchildren will face after 100 years. It's going on. This is nothing to feel about. So the mental health and stress management remain the same, whether it is COVID pandemic or not. Management of mental health and stress management is the same. Because as I said, life expectancy in India is only 68 years. But I'm very confident all the viewers here will live till 100 years. But average lifespan in India is 68 years. That should be in our mind. And we should take a decision not to have any stress, but don't have zero stress. As I said, it will become birthday party. Have 2 or 3%. I make sure every day I produce at least little for me, at least 2% for me. I want it. So every day is a happy day. Bharat Ratna Sachin Tendulkar always says, if I think of past, there is stress. If I think of future, there is stress. I always think of today, so there is no stress. As Sachin said, never think of the past, never think of the future. Think of today, there is no stress. Virat Kohli, our present Indian captain, has said, I love stress that keeps me focused. So you can try Virat's technique. Very successful guy. So I love stress because when you love stress, where is the question of hate or tension or worry? Because you're loving it. He says, I love the stress, it keeps me focused. The Bollywood legend Amitabh also has said, Amitji says, when there is stress, I start thinking of another topic. It reduces my stress. You can follow his technique also. So friends, stress management is entirely depends on you because medical condition will affect you. But because of your stress, others can be affected. Please don't give chance to that. Make sure you fill up your mind with positive thoughts every day. So I like to tickle your mind. Please tell me, how will you get positive thoughts every day? I give you 10 seconds to think. I'm sure you would have got idea by now. Positive thoughts in mind. Friends, it is very easy. I tell you the simple techniques of getting positive thoughts and being happy. Please try it from tomorrow morning. You'll be a new person. People around you can make out you become a new person. As soon as you wake up in the morning, do the deep breathing technique which I mentioned earlier. Inhale through nose, 5 seconds, same time belly big. Exhale through nose, 5 seconds, belly flat. Do this for 2 minutes. Next 2 minutes, be grateful for 5 most important people. Can be your parents, brothers, sisters, friends, mentors, professors. I know you're all great faculty professors. So 2 minutes, be grateful for 5 persons whom you are very grateful to, helped you from birth till now. Because when you think of gratefulness, you can't have negative thoughts. So 2 plus 2, 4 minutes. Next 6 minutes, I want you to think of 5 things which you want to happen in the next 1 month. Imagine already good things have happened. Like you want some good thing to happen this week, some next week, in the next 1 month, you want 5 good things to happen. Imagine already it has happened and be happy. Visualize. We call it visualization. Visualize that those 5 things have already happened and you are immersed in happiness. So another 6 minutes. So 2 plus 2 plus 6, 10 minutes. Next 10 minutes. This is the climax, like climax of the film. So next 10 minutes, I want you to do all your favorite things. Watch your favorite film for 2 minutes. Watch your favorite TV serial 2 minutes. Read your favorite book 2 minutes. Listen to your favorite music 2 minutes. Talk to your favorite friends 2 minutes. Imagine you are doing 5 favorite things in 10 minutes. You will not only have flooding of happiness, you will have tsunami of happiness. Try it tomorrow. So totally 20 minutes, if you can spare every morning, the whole 16 hours you'll be happy. I call it 16 hours. I mentioned to you earlier because 8 hours you sleep. So balance is 16 hours in a day. Just spend these 20 minutes, which is nothing but 1200 seconds. That's all. Spend 1200 seconds in the morning and you'll be a new person whole 16 hours. Your seniors, juniors, all can make out you are a new person. So nothing to worry about COVID pandemic, because even though it affected whole world, still we have learned few things in that. Our health awareness is better now. Our children are more hygienic now. If we cough, they remind us. If you don't put mask, they remind us. They have become health ambassadors now. Our children, the next generation has become health ambassadors. So COVID has done more things, more good things to us. Even though it's a tragedy, we lost precious lives all over the world, but it has increased our unity. It has tested our patience. It has tested our intelligence, and it has created unity among so many people around the world. Friends, another simple way of reducing stress is by having an excellent relationship with others, by impressing others. How will you impress others? Again, I give you 10 seconds. Please think, how will you impress others, whether it is interview or office or life or sports? How will you impress others? I give you 10 seconds. Please think. Impressing others, I know by now you got an idea. Impressing others, very, very easy. By impressing others, they develop liking towards you, love towards you, better relationship, and your stress level is less. Now, how will you impress others? Because I want my stress level to be low. If I impress others, I have a good relationship, my stress level is automatically low. Now, how will you impress? Use the words you, your, more in your office or life or sports. Using the words I, me, reduce it. Use the words you, your, more in your office. See the difference. People will love you. Number 2, when you meet a new person, you have to follow a simple technique. That is, look at their eyes for 2 seconds. Don't stare at them. They'll mistake you. Look at the eyes for 2 seconds. Smile for 2 seconds. Don't keep on smiling. 2 seconds. Shake hands for 2 seconds. Have eye contact 2 seconds. Smile 2 seconds. Shake hands for 2 seconds. That's it. Game is over. They are your friends. 100 out of 100 people will like you if you do this in order. But many people do it in the reverse order, reverse gear. So first eye contact, smile, shake hands. It works wonders, friends. Try it from tomorrow. Please tell your younger generation. It will be useful for their interviews. There's a great saying, if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. This is true. Because if you plan, that means you are going in the right direction. I have to plan where I'm leaving. If I leave my house, I have to plan I'm going to the airport. If I plan, I'll go to the airport. If I don't plan, I'll be just circling around the house. Same thing happens in life, in sports, in corporate, in teaching. I have to plan what I'm going to do and plan accordingly. Just like planning, goals help us to reduce stress. By having a clear-cut goals, the person, whether he is CEO, chairman, MD, or a newcomer, you will have less stress once you have a goal. Goal is similar to, I'm going to the office today, or I'm going to achieve this today. So you must have a goal of what to do. In the goal, make sure you have a daily goal, you have a weekly goal, you have a monthly goal, annual, 5-yearly, 10-yearly. So once you have these goals in order, very simple to achieve anything in life. And the most important is people with goals always have less stress. People with goals always have less stress. That too, goals should be written in diary or in your sacred books. It should be written. Written goals, 100 out of 100, it is effective. Written goals reduce your stress. Written goals take you with a better mental health. Written goals take you to success, whether it is corporate, sports, or student. A simple example I want to give you. In Harvard University, many years ago, there was a study. They asked very bright 100 students, tomorrow come and tell us what's your goal. They didn't say anything else. Tomorrow come and tell your goal. All 100 high IQ guys. They came tomorrow, they came. 93 people out of 100 said, my goal is so and so, my goal is so and so, becoming CEO, becoming prime minister, everything they said. They said, okay. 7 people gave in a book, they written, they showed, this is it. Please listen, it is extremely important for you and for the younger generation. 93 people said, I want to become CEO, etc., etc. Okay. 7 people, they wrote it in the diary, they showed. They also said same thing. CEO, Prime Minister, President, everything they said. After 10 years, they called all the 100. It's a great study. They called all the 100. They said, what are you doing now? To the great surprise, they found the 93 people who told orally their goals, they were earning less, even though they are CEOs and this. But the 7 people who wrote in the diary, they were earning very high, they were occupying top position. So written goals are equal to writing on your mind and the heart and the body. So friends, this is a simple way of reducing stress is writing goals. Without our knowledge, our stress level goes down because already it's incorporated in the mind, in our subconscious mind. Remember, 95% is our subconscious mind, which works automatically. We don't tell it. Only 5% is talking. Like I'm talking to all the great faculty members now. This is conscious mind. It's telling, please talk. Whereas my subconscious mind, whatever knowledge I have, it's coming out. So that is subconscious mind. So subconsciously, I tell the mind, look, this is my goal. This is what I want. So there is no stress or less stress. So friends, to reduce stress, these are the simple ways to reduce the stress. We have few more techniques which you can follow. One is taking up healthy habits, healthy food habits, nutritious food, and following, you can become yoga, you can practice yoga, meditation, you can take up exercise. Everything is healthy habits. They all will reduce the stress level. And remember, what you are able to control alone, you control. Rest of things, don't worry. Like a climate, I can't control. Pandemic, I can't control. So what you are able to control, control it. So that will reduce your stress. And remember what the most successful people in the world are doing about the stress. For example, if you take the past president, Mr. Barack Obama, president of USA, whenever he was in stress, he used to go to the Oval Office in the White House, which is his official office, Oval Office, and spend 5 hours alone in the office. That's his way of reducing the stress. 5 hours alone. So whichever way reduces your stress, you can do it. Another simple way of stress management is find out your most productive time. For example, if you take music maestro, Oscar winner, A.R. Rahman, he records songs only in the midnight because that is his most productive time. Similarly, find out when is your productive time, maybe morning, afternoon, evening, and plan your best things during your production time, productive time. Because you will come out with great innovations, you will come out with great creativity like the genius Elon Musk. You may come out with so many great things if you know what is your productive time, because our body is a clock. It works just like a clock, like a morning, evening, night. So when it is a clock, find out when is your most productive time and utilize this to find out your most important work or job you can do at that time. So friends, stress management is extremely easy. Remember, it is important for you to have little stress, not zero stress, little stress, and carry on in the life. As I said earlier, please practice deep breathing technique. It takes few minutes, but don't do it while driving. You can do Benson's relaxation technique, 10 minutes a day. In another 21 days, you are a new person. You are a relaxed person. Others can make out if you are a relaxed person. Fill up the mind with positive thoughts. I told you that 20 minutes technique, where you do deep breathing, grateful to 5 people, and imagining 5 success stories, and doing your favorite things. By doing this, you fill up the mind with positive thoughts. The whole day you'll be happy. If you are happy, your surrounding is happy, because happiness is a contagious. You would have seen in birthday parties, everybody is laughing because one person laughs, whole 500 people are laughing. In wedding parties, you see everybody is laughing because it's contagious. If you go to a sad event, you see everybody is quiet and everybody is crying because one person does, everybody is crying, again it's contagious. So in the office, you have to be very happy, because if you are a happy CEO, if you're a happy MD, happy professor, it is contagious. So all the other colleagues, all the students, they also will be happy. Another simple way of reducing stress is become a voracious reader, because when you read, you cannot have negative thoughts, you cannot have worry, you cannot have stress. When you are reading, you can read anything. It can be any novel or any stories you can read. So make sure you have many ways of reducing stress. Please make sure you utilize them and avoid medical conditions so that you are happy and your people surrounding you are happy and you live a productive life, whether it is sports, corporate, personal, or any life. You should be a happy person. Another simple way of stress management is time management. I notice many people telling, sir, I'm good in everything, but time management, I'm very bad. I tell them it is the simplest thing in the world, because anything which is urgent and important, do it today, do it by yourself. Anything urgent, important, do it now, do it yourself. So matter is settled. Anything not urgent, not important, delegate to others or get others' opinion, again matter is settled. Where is the question of time management? Urgent and important, do it now. With others' help or you finish it today. So matter is solved. Anything not urgent, not important, get others' help or delegate the work. People becoming expert in delegating the work become great in life. Whether you are CEO, chairman, MD, or top professor, you should become expert in delegating work. Remember, you can do everything on your own. I read in journals, US president has 100 divisions for 200 countries. So each division manages 2 countries. So 100 manages 200 countries in the world, and the matter comes to the president. So easy. He can't look into 200 countries. So you must know how to compartmentalize life. That reduces your stress. So friends, this is about stress management. This is about mental health. Nothing to worry about COVID pandemic. Now we are almost at the end of COVID pandemic. Nothing to worry. So be cheerful. Follow the simple methods which I mentioned to you: relaxation and approaching in life, impressing people, avoiding medical conditions. As you grow up in life, whether it is corporate, sports, personal, family, make sure you have right person at the right time, at the right position. For example, if you take the genius Sir Richard Branson, the owner of Virgin Companies, is having 400 companies. He's having 400 plus companies. Most of the people have difficulty with one company. This man has 400 companies. He puts the right CEO at the right place, and they contact him once in 6 months telling what happened. That's it. So how he manages 400? Because he has put right person at the right place. So delegating the job reduces your stress. Right person, right this thing reduces your stress. So kindly follow that. And I'm sure all of you will become stress-free, and I'm sure all of you will have very minimal or nil medical conditions due to stress. And with these few words, over to my friend Mr. Dhruv Kumar.
So thank you, sir. Thank you for a nice session, informative session, sir. So actually, I have one question, sir. First,
Yes.
my question itself. So how to manage the stress during in the working environment, sir?
It's very easy, Dhruv.
Yes, sir.
Remember, in the working environment, there may be 10 people, 100 people, 1,000 people, all are same. If this person is good in knowledge, good in his attitude, you will not have any problem. Good in knowledge, good in attitude, there won't be any problem. Plus, when there are 100 people, 1,000 people in a working environment, there are bound to be some negative people. As I earlier said, surround yourself with 5 positive people, but there may be some negative people or some negative comments, nothing to worry, because a woman speaks 25,000 words a day, a man speaks 15,000 words a day. So there may be 3 words which are offending. So when a man speaks 15,000 words a day, so for example, if there are 15,000 cakes, 3 cakes are bad, nothing to worry, because balance we have a huge number. Same way, we don't have to take the words of one person and magnify it, because we have only 68 years to live and we have only 16 hours in a day, and I would spend only 8 hours in the office. So nothing to worry, because there are some negative people all over the world, and it's very easy to solve them. So whenever I meet negative people, I just smile and thank them, because they are telling me how a person should not behave in life. So they are my teachers, they are my gurus. So I love negative people, I respect negative people, they are teaching me every day.
Thank you, sir. Super explanation, sir. So, dear participants, so sir, actually want to thank all of you for joining this session. Sir, please over to you, sir.
So I thank all the viewers. I know all the faculty members, highly qualified and high experience. Thank you very much, sir, for your wonderful time. So I'm sure all of you will become stress-free, and you will help yourselves, you will help your family, help your friends. And I thank Honorable Principal for this great opportunity. I enjoy talking to all of you. Thanks, Dhruv. And
Thank you, sir.
very kind of you. Have a wonderful time. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you, sir. Actually, we are now putting first step in this training, sir. So we have a lot of years to go. So we have a lot of trainings to conduct, and we have so many thoughts in our mind regarding these trainings. So in the future days, while we are conducting so many trainings regarding these subjects, definitely we will very happy to and proud to contact you, sir. So in the future days also, we expect the same cooperation from you, sir, regarding these topics. So it will be very useful, sir.
Thanks, Dhruv. I'm honored to speak again with all of you.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So we are really delighted to hear your speech. And in this actually COVID-19 pandemic, so stress management is very, very important for all of us, especially the employees who are working day and night with this COVID-19. So for all of them, this will be a very important session and very important guidance for this. So we are very much thank you, sir, because you can see the chat box. So many everybody is saying. So thank you for your wonderful session here, sir. So definitely we are very happy for your request, acceptance of your request. And we are very, very happy to hear your session, sir. Definitely in the future days, we will come back to you for so many different kind of sessions with you, sir. So from Government Polytechnic Harapalli principal and staff, cordially thanks to you for your valuable time spent with us, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dhruv.
Sir, any feedback from any participants who want to give feedback about sir's session? Any others? Any feedbacks? Sir, here my colleague wants to talk with you, sir. Just I will give
Sure.
hand over him, sir.
Sure.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, myself Harish, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, we have been listening all technical topics from past 3 days. And this session particularly, I really felt that it is very relevant. And another thing is that from next week onwards, we are conducting one more AICT sponsored training program on leadership and excellence. So this
Yes.
this was a kind of, like a preparation for me, listening your words. And I felt that the topic you covered is very useful as a person. And when we work in, working environment also, it is very useful. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Thank you.
So thank you, sir. Thank you for your nice time with us and to giving guidance regarding this. So our principal want to talk with you, sir. He is also online. Our principal.
Yeah. Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Hello, sir. I'm extremely happy, sir, because I had some urgent work. That's why I'm online now. Anyhow, no problem. Thanks a lot on behalf of our institution, because stress management is very important aspect nowadays. And then people are worried about this COVID-19 and other things also. They have got their busy schedule. They will not be able to work properly. So this will be a useful session for us. Sir. Thank you very much. I was also request from my side, sir. Please suggest, if at all there are three topics included in general.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir. Please talk clearly, sir. Principal, sir.
I could not
Sir,
hear
yes,
through.
sir. Principal, sir. Hello, sir. Devra, sir.
Hello. So
Sir,
I request
now tell me, sir.
I request. Is it clear now? Hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
Hello. I request any other general topic that is to be included, sir, in further programs.
From my side, sir.
No, not sir. In general, sir. From your side also, or any other topic that's you feel important to be included for faculty.
Yes, sir. People stress
Please,
always
sir.
goes with weight management, about confidence building, about personality development, leadership. These topics we can discuss, sir.
Yes, sir. As we are conducting so many, we are planning to conduct so many training programs in the upcoming days. So the just principal sir asked, what are the possible sessions or what are the possible topics that we can include like that, sir?
Yes,
So
sir.
that will be
The
very
four
helpful
topics.
to all. Yeah.
Yes, sir. One is weight management,
Sir.
because obesity, overweight is common now. And next is about confidence, because students and everybody should be confident in life. Third one is leadership. The students, when we show the leadership, they become great people in the future. And fourth is personality development. It has to be developed from the first day of the student life. So these four topics we can consider.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your reference, sir. So we are very happy, sir, to hear from you. So we wish in the future also we will get so many chances to hear from you, sir. So we are very thankful to you for accepting in your busy schedule also, sir. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thanks, Dhruv. Thank you, Principal,
Thank you,
sir. Very kind talking to you. Thanks, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, all participants. Thank you for joining. So tomorrow there will be session at 10 a.m. So please kindly join us before 10 a.m. So thank you all. Sir, thank you so much, sir. Once again, thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Yuvraj sir, can you hear
Yes,
my
sir.
voice?
Clear.
Yeah, I am Dr. Ramesh Babu, HOD Mechanical from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering near Chennai.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it was a wonderful session, and rightly said, we're also planning to have some kind of workshop for our first year students. In this regard, we would like to contact you because, as I said, the confidence as well as personal development is the need of the day. And also nowadays, many companies come for that is a conduct stress interviews also.
Yes,
Many
sir.
software companies and all. So how to get rid of the stress interviews and all, even that will be useful for the students, I think.
Yes, sir. That is you're discussing about the stress, sir.
Yes, stress interviews for the students and all.
Yes, sir. Is a very simple way of approaching interviews,
Yeah.
and usually I help the students, the competitive students, civil service students, and it's a very simple way, sir. That is, when we go to an interview, we must go to an interview with the idea that already he has selected me for the interview. I'm going to the interview just to thank him, sir, not to answer questions. He has
Exactly.
already selected me.
Okay.
I'm going to the interview just to thank him for selecting me. With that confidence, we should go.
Yeah.
So it's very easy to train the students for the interview. That is why many people click on the first attempt in the civil service.
Yes, yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Can you share
Thanks,
your
sir.
email? Can you share your email ID?
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
It's LS
LS.
lsyuvraj@gmail.com.
Yes.
Actually, Dhruv has my email ID, sir. It's lsyuvraj@gmail.com.
Yes, sir, I have given presentation in that one. We have in that one we have a phone number and email ID. Both the things are there, sir.
Oh,
In the presentation.
I'm not.
No problem,
I
sir.
joined lately. Okay.
We will share all the resource persons data with all the participants so that you can get future benefits in this one.
Thanks, sir.
So
Thanks
I'll
a
be
lot.
very happy to discuss, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thanks to all participants. We are now closing this session for this. So Yuvraj sir, thank you very much, sir, once again for accepting our request and given session during this pandemic. So thank you so much, sir. We will see you soon, sir. Thank you.
Thanks, Dhruv. Nice of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks to all participants. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice evening. Thank you. Bye.